Alright folks, this is probably the first time this Jensen Brass tag number 5 has been run in decades. It's got a fat SUV or SV, and I had to rebuild that. I gave this a sympathetic restoration. And there she goes. Ooh, she's a smooth runner. That's what I love about these. As you can see, she's pumping out 523 watts, just about right. Or something that's good 70 or 80 years old. And we're going to crank that down right now, because it's way too much for now. Just crank down to 230, 150. Yeah, it's going up better now. Safety valve is lifted. Like I say, I rebuilt that. Spring was a little weak on it. There we go. Let's see how slow she'll go. My valve's almost shut. Nice. A friend of mine sent this to me, Johnny. We took everything off the plinth. I reshot the firebox and chimney stands. Got a new chimney on it. I had to replace the sight glass for it. Didn't have one on it. We polished up the boiler as best as it could. It's not perfect, but it's a good 8 out of 10. The number 5 engine is really nice. No cracks in the cylinder, which is kind of rare for these years. It's a Jensen number 5. Cleaned off the whole base and gave it a Murphy's oil soap wipe down, which really brought it out. That UL just brightened right up. That's original. And you can see she's running like a dream. Well, let's open her up. Let's see if she'll growl like a Jensen will. You gotta remember, I turned the wattage way down, 210 from 430-ish. Nice running. Beautiful running. Very happy with that. I'd replace one of these red handles. Missing one of those. I did not repaint that base. That's original. She shines like a new nickel. Sight glass is not leaking. That's good. Alright. Very pleased with this resto. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.